So basically it's like 2 days before Matsuri when we leave. We're leaving at about 3 o'clock Friday because we're camping, and this turned up a couple of days ago for the front. And I was thinking, oh, do I try and fit it before because I'll have to sort brackets out. I need like tow hook brackets putting in, these putting on, and then if it starts hit, like if any of these bits here hit the radiator, I was thinking, oh, do I even bother? And then I thought I'll do it. So I'm going to start with dropping the wheels off and then getting inside the wheel arch liner, pulling that all off. Then there's a couple of bolts here, then pop the bonnet and take all the plastic clips off around the front. And the bottom on mine isn't actually held on with anything because the under tray, I took that off ages ago because it was just easier for doing oil changes. So that's just like flapping, so it shouldn't put up much of a fight to get that off. So once the wheel's off, you can pull this arch liner down there, and then your little bolts are up in there. So that is both these sides undone. Now that's just flopping. So you're going to pop the bonnet and undo all them along there. So that's all this old bumper off. So now I'm going to offer this one up and see how it fits, obviously all around here in the headlight. Make sure it slips into like these bits. Bits are hitting. So the first bits I've seen that are hitting are these, which are just like plastic, so they can come straight off. There's another one the other side as well, so that can come off as well. So yeah, I'm going to pull them. So that's these out. They were just held in with these little plastic clips there and there. So now have another go and see what's hitting now. So the next thing it's hitting on is the factory front toe mount, but there is like a piece that's marked on the bumper, so hopefully I'm just going to cut that out and that will be in the exact place that that tow hook is. It's hitting the oil cooler here and the power steering, all that sort of stuff there. So gonna mark it and then trim those bits out. So it didn't seem right to just like cut notches out of here, like here and here where it is hitting. So what I'm basically gonna just keep doing is taking off like full chunks at the right angle, and then this bit just looks the same, because once this is all wrapped out here, then I can put some mesh in on this back, and obviously you don't just want to have holes in it everywhere. So yeah, so I've took a bit off. I've not actually test fit it yet, so hopefully it fits. If not, I'll just take another 10mm off or 20mm until it just keep gauging it until this bit swings up enough to then hit there. Jamie's come to help because I'm stuck. I'm stuck. What you got there?
What's this?
Yeah, dropping fresh merch. Hey, yo, Lukey.
Yo, boy.
House is a mess. Excuse it.
You've got stuff everywhere.
I know.
You've got a grapevine?
Yep.
What's the word on the street?
I don't know. It's just there.
Put it up in.
Get out, doggo.
Yo, he's a log.
I know. The harder you push, the harder he pushes back.
Alright.
I got it on. Sort of.
What's it? You kicked it, mate. Now you're coming off.
That's it. Fucking hell, it stayed on.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah? It's chafing here.
Chafing.
So I've just got my cutter. We need to notch a little bit more out there, yeah?
I'd have just gone bzzz, like that. Just done like an arch all the way. You just have loads of clearance. If you hit anything, that's going to go straight into a cooler.
Well, I didn't think about that, did I?
I'll just chop it out. I chopped all mine out.
Did you?
From back here, all the way around like that.
It's a pretty good fit though, don't you think? It's pretty decent. Like this side's good.
Will it go back? Is that line's where it wants to be?
Yeah, but it only wants to. I don't know then. What, you reckon that's good is good?
I think so. All your mounting points meet up.
Just hold the thingies on. Right, let me go and settle the dog down. That may come across on camera that there's a dog barking in here. He's like a metronome. You could play the drums to it.
Nice. So much easier. You have to take your line around.
He looks like King Kong up close.
But your dog.
Yeah. Right. Go to Skull Island.
So you go in like there.
Yeah.
There and there.
Yeah.
Maybe a little further just for the stretch. I've been my rubber bands off.
What you got? Zip ties? Why?
Get a better pull with them.
Do you reckon?
Because I found I've had to start twisting them because they're starting to stretch. And from where I've originally mounted them, I can get them on a bit easier and then the bumper sags. So I'll just cable tie now and zip.
So your advice would be zip tie?
Or make them a bit further apart so they can get on.
I've got another pair of them as well.
But they do stretch quite easy and then they end up
going loose.
Like holding the memory.
Pull that like that. That's good tension. Then I'll measure this split.
Well, you could just fix one.
Yeah, but I want a perfect gap.
Oh. All about the symmetries.
So centres.
60 mil?
60 milli centre. No, maybe 65. So 32
and a half.
and a half.
Good tradesman's always got a pencil.
Yeah. And then
Looks
what I'll
good.
do, gauge that like that.
Any advice to drill in metal panels?
Don't go.
What else?
Didn't you do that when you were riveting the spoiler onto our MX-5?
A couple of times actually.
Was one of done.
Hey! Nice.
Yeah.
That's old.
I know.
How old is that? Is it petrol?
That's a mid.
Well,
That's an early 90s battery
I bet that's quick.
NiCad, innit?
I bet that's
NiCad.
quick. Yeah. Batteries that didn't last 2 minutes.
Yeah, that was before we invaded Afghanistan and took all the lithium ion from the country.
That's why we were there.
That's why we were there.
Just make it a little bit bigger.
Don't fit.
Yes. Oh,
Grip.
is it good?
Gripped it. That's it, now we've hit that nylon. There we go.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard was that?
Too hard for me. Look at these fingers. Too big.
Alright, sausage hands.
You all ready for Matsuri?
No.
Oh.
For you.
Right.
Wednesday today.
And we've only got tomorrow night because Friday isn't even a day really, is it? Because we're leaving so early.
What have I got left to do? Pack the car, but I can't do that till after I've had my alignment. My alignment's booked in at 12:30 Friday. We're leaving at 3 Friday. So I've got to get my alignment done, get home, load the car up. Oh, I've got to get some tyres taken off some wheels as well.
So much to do. Right, this is going on.
Nice. Bung, bung.
We've got another sticker we're going to stick on. Oh, he's peeling. He's peeling. Let's have a look.
Oh, she's so slippery. Somewhere there.
Yeah. Fitted. Bonnet shut, wheels on, car lowered, road hit. Well, what does it look like? So that's it for another install of Sean's garage.
Nice knees.
Shit in Sean's garage.
I'd rather not.
Yeah, don't.